Here we are. We're going to look at Week 6, the math assessment. First thing do, log into your course. I have lots of them, so give me a second. Let's find your course. Here we are. Log into your course, and it should look something like this. I'm using Firefox. Your browser may make this look a little different, but it's not enough to bother us. Before we go any farther here, get yourself some scratch paper, a pencil, and a calculator. You're going to need them. Once you have that, come over here to the left-hand side of the course page, find where it says Weeks, and click on Weeks. That will take you to this page. You're familiar with this page by now. We scroll down here till we get to Week 6. It says Week 6 Cover Letter. Click on that. And here's everything you need for Week 6. Week 6 discussion. Here's our lecture for the week. You can download a Word copy of the lecture. Participate in the discussion. Here's where you get to evaluate your instructor. The next is your written assignment for the week, the cover letter. Write your cover letter and use that to submit it. Here is the Week 6 Applied Mathematics Practice Talent Assessment. This is only an assessment. It is not a test. The results of this assessment will not affect your grade for this course. It has no effect on your grade whatsoever. All this is a measure to find out what level your math skills are. Once you have completed your associate degree, you should be around level 4. However, if your score is lower than that, don't worry about it. What you can do is work with the college tutors to get some help to improve your scores and your ability to work with mathematics. So let's start the assessment. Go back up here to where it says Practice Talent Assessment and click on that link. That will take you to the test. I've already started this test just to see what's going on. So here I'm going to click on Continue. Your button will say Start. Don't worry about that. And then all you do is you go down through each one of these questions. Remember, there are two things. You can only take the test once. However, you can save your scores and resume the assessment later. So, you can go through question 1, 2, 3, and 4, save those answers, and then come back later and start at question 5. Take your time. Do 4 or 5 of them at a time. Rest. Gather yourself back together and do some more. Do 1 or 2 or 3 at a time. Save the answers. Take a break. Come back. Figure out the answers for some more of them. And keep on going until you get to the end. Now, test-taking strategy. If you come to a question that you cannot figure out, that just utterly stumps you, don't let it bother you. Remember, this is not a test. It is an assessment. It's just trying to figure out what level your skills are. After you have answered all of those that you want to answer, you think you've got your answers right, come down here and click Save and Submit. However, if you are taking this a few at a time and you want to save what you've done so far, just say, Save all the answers. Save all the answers gives you the chance to come back and start where you left off. Once you've finished all of them, click Save and Submit. When you click Save and Submit, you will then get an assessment result that will tell you what level your skills are. Then you can compare that to the level that is required for your profession. If your assessment score is not up to the level of your profession, get with the college tutors, go over your assessment score with them, and they can help you take the math courses, do tutorials, and work to improve your math skills to an acceptable level. That's it. Click Save and Submit, find out what your scores are, and then report on that. That's all you have to do. And that is the end of our Applied Mathematics Practice Talent Assessment. If you need further help, if you have other questions, just let me know. I'll be glad to help you. Thanks much.